Guys, John from TechSpace, and today we are going to be unboxing this Bell 206 gyro stabilized helicopter, and that is from RC Era. Now RC Era is known to have a lot of different options of RC ready to fly helicopters, guys, and there you can see is a big portion of the range that they do sell. There's their website, guys. This product will be linked in the description down below. Now if we turn the box back around, you will see Bell 206, and that is actually the Bell helicopter that comes from the 1960s. I believe the first flight it ever took was in 1962. Now as you can see, it is based on the Los Angeles Fire Department livery, and I believe there is a Los Angeles Police Department as well. As you can see, I've got the Fire Department one. Now guys, it says here that it is for 14 plus years, and let's look at some of the features. So it says it's got an automatic stabilization or stability system. Now that means that it doesn't matter how hard you're going to turn the helicopter on the controller, it is only going to be able to tilt a certain amount. It won't flip over. Then you will see it's also got a brushless motor. They reckon it's easy to fly. It's got a modular battery, guys, and yeah, that means that the battery has been specifically developed for this RC helicopter to actually go into it. And then you will see that it's got a one key takeoff and landing. That means on the controller there will be a lift off button and a land button. And then it's got a downward vision positioning. So this means this is the one that actually does have a little sensor at the bottom to tell it whether it is close to the ground or not. Now if we look at the rest of the packaging, guys, there's some information there. Some information there as well. I don't have any experience with any RC helicopters, guys. This would be my first ever RC helicopter that I've ever flown. So yeah, it's going to be an interesting one. Now let's quickly open up the box and see what is inside. So opening up the box, you are met with the user instruction or user manual. And there you can see, guys, it's in Chinese. I'm not too sure what language that is, and English obviously. By opening it up, you are met with Chinese on the first couple of pages. And I'm pretty sure the English side of it will come. Yep, so there's the English side, guys, just giving you the warnings of how to operate it, important notices, how to use the battery safely, some parameters of the helicopter there. You could see the battery is 350 milliamp hours, and you've got a flight time of about 12 minutes. Charging time is about 60 minutes, and there you can see, looks like the helicopter is about 30 centimeters in length. And there's all of the items that you get within the box, but we'll check it out now. And just again, how to operate it, what you can see on your controller. And there are some of the parts just to tell you what the actual descriptions of them are. And if we go on, it looks like it takes 4 AA batteries. Alright, so how to control it, and there you can see some exploded diagrams should you ever need to get some parts. Alright, so let's put this away. Now as you can see, guys, it's not looking good. I'm probably not going to be able to fly it today, which is unfortunate. Instruction manual to the side. Let's see what else is in here. So you've got what looks to be a USB-C to USB-A charging cable. You've got some rear rotor blades, some extra, one blade, and that would be for the rear rotor there. And also inside here is an Allen key and a screwdriver. And if we open up this plastic to expose the helicopter, that looks awesome, guys. Check it out. But before we delve into the helicopter, let's look at some additional main blades there. As you can see, you've got 2 of those, which, because this is my first time flying this, I might need this. But they did tell me that it's an easy helicopter to fly. Like I said, I've never flown an RC helicopter before. I have done drones. I've got a DJI drone, a DJI Mini 3 Pro. But yeah, they told me it's going to be easy to fly, so hopefully that's the truth. Now, if we look at it here, just look at all of the details on this little helicopter. Now again, it's based on the Los Angeles Fire Department, and there you can see is the livery, guys. It looks fantastic. It's really got a lot of detail. There is the indication LED. So that will tell you whether your battery is starting to get flat and when it's time to bring the helicopter back closer to you. So it does not look like this one does actually have the sensor at the bottom, the downward sensor. Now this is interesting. It doesn't look like there's anything inside of there. Now this is where you can see the battery is, and there's your on and off button as well. Now I'm quickly going to take out this battery to see what it looks like. Just take two fingers, guys, and then you can clip it out, and there you can see is the battery compartment. Now if we take it out, there you can see it. It looks like it says it's 350 milliamp hour, confirming what it says in the instruction manual, and this is proprietary. Now there is the USB-C insert, so you'll plug it in there and it says it takes about 1 hour to charge. Now you can buy additional batteries on their website at RC Era, guys, so just go check it out. You can buy additional batteries. Now that is the helicopter, guys. It is very light. It's extremely light. Okay, so let's put the helicopter to the side and let's look at the controller. It's 2.4 gigahertz. It says it's a digital proportional radio control system with RC Era, and there you can see is the takeoff and landing indications there. Now, as you can see, guys, this is totally workable through all of the sides there. You've got an on and off button, and you've got your 3-speed switch. So this helicopter's got 3 speeds. It's got a speed 1, 2, and 3. And as you can see, you'll just click it along to get to that speed. If we look at it at the back, there's your battery compartment, and that confirms your 4 AA batteries that is required to run it. So I've got the battery charged up. As you can see, I love this charger that I've got here, guys. You definitely need to get one of these if you are into any type of RC hobby to take with you while you are filming or just going to go bash out. It's really awesome. And here I've got a little helicopter, guys. I have never flown one, like I said before, and I'm quite excited to see what is going to happen here today. The wind did pick up a little bit, but it's not bad, and I feel that we are going to get this video done finally today. So without further ado, let's get flying before the wind starts again. Okay, there we go. Yeah, figured it out. There we go. Okay, so there it flies. I can't believe it survived those impacts. Just insane that it could actually survive those crashes. Back this way. There we go. It's a fun little helicopter. Okay, so that's obviously up and down. That's fairly easy to figure out. Come back this way. The wind is obviously affecting it a lot. As you can see, look at the trees there at the back. I don't know if you guys can see it, but that red. The wind is blowing. Come on, come back. Okay, so as you can see, the LED light is solid. Whoa! The fun little guy. I don't know why it drops down though, every time we turn. There we go. I think I've started to figure this thing out. Oh, close one. How cool does it look, guys? Back this way again. Okay, I think I finally figured it out. Yeah. All right, there we go. Yeah, I think I finally figured it out. Whoa, almost hit myself. Okay, oi. You see, if you've got the one with the sensor, I believe that sensor will actually stop it from hitting the ground. Okay, come back this way. Okay, the wind. Oh, where's the wind taking it? I think the wind took it. Come back, come back, come back, please. Oh, crash. Oh, no, there it goes again. Oh, the wind, oh, the wind. The wind took it. Let's see what the damage is. It does seem like it is quite sensitive to the wind. As you can see, the wind is blowing. So it was really difficult to make this video, as I thought that the wind would affect it quite badly. So there you can see what is nice is the LED flashing light. Makes it easier to see, obviously. But again, it hit that tree. It came down to this area here. It landed itself. Okay, so let's see. I'm just going to take it back up. Let's see if we can give it another spin. Here we go, lift off. Can't believe how durable this thing is. Yeah, it does look like the battery is flat. It has to be that. Yeah. So yeah, there isn't a lot of runtime with it. The battery is definitely flat. So yeah, it's a nice little helicopter. Obviously it does not like the wind. If you put it into the high power mode, it just probably drains that small battery very quickly. Now this helicopter will be linked in the description down below. And also remember to check out the additional batteries. I would recommend getting the extra batteries just to make sure that you've got more flight time. And this thing is incredibly durable. I believe this would be a good helicopter, start helicopter for young kids as well. And anyone trying to get into the hobby to see if they like it, this is where you want to start, as it's very cheap and it's obviously very durable. If you like watching me fly this little RC helicopter, please give this video a like. And also, if you have not done so yet, subscribe to the channel, guys, and check out my other videos as well. I'm John from TechSpace, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers!